Hello, welcome to Simon Shield Cars. Today we're going to show you something really different. So we have here an INEOS Grenadier. This is the INEOS Grenadier Trialmaster, 3 litre diesel. So it's got the BMW straight 6-cylinder diesel engine in it, 245 brake horsepower, and the BMW 8-speed automatic gearbox. It's finished in sterling silver metallic. It's done 16,500 miles from new. It's a 2023 on a 73 plate, showing 2 owners, but been in the same family from new. Loads of extras on this car. It's got over £14,000 worth of extras on this car, but without listing them and boring you with a load of detail, please do refer back to the advert, because I've listed everything on there that this car has it over standard. This car was nearly £70,000 brand new. So let's show you around it. Okay, so starting on the front here, we've got front parking sensors on here. The whole concept of this car is for it to mimic the original Land Rover Defender, the older style Land Rover Defender, and there are so many things on this which are so like the old Defender. Anyway, looking around the car, we've got upgraded alloy wheels here. The owner of the car also specified the BF Goodrich all-terrain tyres on this as well. They're really good, they don't drum on the road, and they last really well. Huge ground clearance, really well designed for off-road use. This off-road use and towing use is amazing. They'll tow 3,500 kilos. Round to the back here, we've got rear sensors, we've got tow bar, we've got the ladder on the back here as well. That was one of the options. Spare wheel on the back there, also a BF Goodrich all-terrain tyre, so 5 of these. Let's show you in the back here. So you got one small door opens here, and the other one comes out there. Okay, let's show you in the back here. So we've got a really practical floor here. This is very hard wearing, easy to wash out. We've got lash down eyes in the back here which are adjustable. We've also got the load area guard here, stroke dog guard in the back. And panel covers in the back here as well. So very practical. Let's just shut that down again. Okay, so around to this side, all clean and tidy down here as you'd expect. As you can see by these doors, I mean, these are very similar to the old style Defender. So, and the door handles as well with the little push buttons on them, these are just like the old Defender. And then into the back here, we've got full leather. All the seats in this are made by Recaro, so lovely seats in this, lovely leather. We've got a full set of the original Grenadier carpet mats in here as well. Also in the back here, we've got a USB connection and SD card connection there as well. I think that was one of the options as well. And then while we're on the outside here as well, up here, these bars here, these are for connecting. If you wanted to put accessories on the outside, you've got power connections here in 2 places on the outside here, which could be useful. And then into the inside here, full set of electric windows and mirrors. And as you can see here, lovely comfortable seats, lovely leather Recaros. Oh, and actually while we're here as well, if you have a look up there on the ceiling, got a whole load of accessory switches there as well. Some of those relate to these outside power sockets. Okay, so let's show you the steering wheel. So we've got a nice leather bound steering wheel with the Grenadier badging on the bottom here. We've got cruise control, we've got controls for the radio, etc. And then moving across into the middle here, got a big screen up here with all the bits and pieces in here. So we've got phone connection, we've got DAB radio, we've got navigation, we've also got rear camera on here as well. So here we've got the altimeter and the compass, which was one of the options on the car as well. And moving down, if you have a look at the switch gear here, this is very old school. It's just like it's laid out in a very similar way to the old Defender as well. So some people might recognise that if they've had a Defender before. And then moving down here, we've got the, this is BMW, the stalk for changing gears. And then we've also got front and rear differential locks and centre diff lock as well. So it's really set up for off-roading with all the ground clearance and the diff locks. Amazing if you want to go off-road. Controller down here for all the computer system. Just have a look in here. Yeah, we've got USB connection inside here as well. You may not be able to see it, but it is down there. And a power socket in there as well. And this is a lockable lid. Okay, let's show you some of these switches up in the ceiling here. We've got interior lights. We've got the traction control. We've also got the downhill control. We've got the diff locks on here as well, off-road modes. And these ones are for the external power sockets if required. Just show you one of the more obvious options on the car. This has got the snorkel. So the idea of this is if you go into deep water, the air intake is not under the bonnet where it would suck water into the engine. It's designed to take the air in from up here, connected up to the original air intake under the bonnet. Waterproofed so you don't get water in the engine. Okay, so let's show you under the bonnet now. So all clean and tidy under here as you'd expect. This is, as I keep saying, this is the 3 litre straight 6-cylinder BMW turbo twin turbo diesel engine, 245 brake horsepower, so plenty of power. Great engine. It's hooked up with the BMW automatic 8-speed automatic gearbox as well, so very very reliable running gear. Okay, just want to show you the original invoice for the vehicle. Obviously the customer's details have been taken off this, so you can see there what we've got, and what I really want to show you is the options on the vehicle. Some of this stuff is standard here, but when I just flick over the page here, you'll see here, I'm not going to bore you with the whole lot, but you really must check the spec on the website because it is all listed. All the prices of the options are listed here as well. And if we go on to the other side here, more options there, and then you can see the final price down here. It was £69,700 including everything. It even feels and drives like the old Defender. Okay, so let's just run through that again for you. 2023 on a 73 plate INEOS Grenadier Trialmaster, finished in sterling silver metallic. All those extras which we've been talking about, some of them I've remembered, some of them I haven't, but please go back onto the website. Everything is listed there. If you're looking for something specific, please do have a look at that. It's all listed there along with all the still photographs, 16,500 miles. INEOS service history with it, 2 sets of keys with it, everything with the vehicle that should be with it, something really different. Any more information, please do give me a call. It's Simon Shield. It's Simon Shield Cars Limited, Ipswich. It's 07702 410 254. Thank you for watching.